What's going on, guys? Welcome back to On The Go Crypto. We'll get right into it. This video is about Bitcoin and the Bitcoin halving. This process is something that some of you know about and some of you may not know about. Please do like and subscribe. It really does help out the new channel, guys. Thanks so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. So the Bitcoin halving. Today is a red day in the market, and it made me want to make a video about this event that not everybody thinks about all the time, unless you are a long-term crypto investor, holder. You don't keep this event on your mind because it's either you don't know about it or it doesn't matter to you because you're in and out before it has a chance to take effect and affect your profits. The Bitcoin halving is an 8-part process that is built into Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was released in 2009, at zero, the first halvening happened on January 3rd, 2009, and there will be 8 halvenings total. We are coming up on the 4th, which is projected to be in April of 2024. So what is the Bitcoin halvening? For those of you that don't know, it's basically, it breaks down in blocks. For every 210,000 blocks that are mined in Bitcoin, you have a halvening event. And that halvening event basically means the reward that Bitcoin miners are paid for the job of mining the Bitcoins is cut in half. So naturally, the output that they produce is cut in half. It is a process that will take the 8 halvenings, and I believe it's 2041 is when this is supposed to be completed. But if you look at the charts and you do the math in projected math, it looks like a little over 98% of all Bitcoin will be mined and in circulation by the end of 2028. So it's a really long process that a lot of people don't care about, but the fact of the matter remains that the Bitcoin halvening controls crypto. There are macro things happening, wider events in the global markets, political power, things like that, elections, stock market, Gary Gensler, things like that. But one thing you can count on to be the same, if you pull up what we have here, the Bitcoin all-time chart, you see this. There's a halvening here, back in July of 16. Come over here. It just doesn't fail, guys. We got above 65K here back in 2021. You zoom out. When in doubt, just zoom out. So just know that this halvening process is going to happen. It doesn't matter that today Bitcoin's sitting at 25.7 and it's down and it doesn't look good. You know, we're here on the 1-hour chart. We'll pull it up on the weekly to give you guys a bit of more perspective. Let me get this in a little bit more visible. Here we are on the weekly chart. I mean, this is something that will happen whether you're ready for it or whether you care about it. The Bitcoin halving will happen spring of 2024, and in anticipation of the halving, things start to ramp up. Every single halving, every time. So just relax, guys, and know that no matter what is happening in the market today, this week, this month, this season, none of that shit matters. Your bags will be fine. Scrambling and selling at a loss is not the answer to a red day in the market. Letting people FUD you, and if you don't know what FUD means, if you happen to be new, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, it's how people talk shit in crypto, and it gets everybody scared, and you need to avoid it. So just stay calm, guys, make money, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.